Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date, Wednesday, February 19, 2014. Hey, I want to ask you to please check out hitthemarktrading.com. Take a look at what we do over there. And sign up for weekly blog updates. If you'd like, you can sign up for Rooster Call. Now, this is my early morning note to clients. I look at the charts, I look at the news wires, and basically make a very brief discussion, brief synopsis, just what we should be aware of for the trading day. I send it to clients. I'd like to send it to you for free. And remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any stock, option, bond, future, forex, anything using real money. I do suggest you use this video as a starting point for your own due diligence. Let's go to the charts, okay? All right, well, gosh, I just spoke with you early this morning, and we see that we get some flattening here on the daily chart, as if the CCI can't even make it to the 100 line. That in itself is kind of a bearish sign, so I'm going to just make a little line up here, okay? All right. And as I mentioned to you this morning, we already had this target set, and the people at the newsletter, we got into this trade big time. And we right up here to the target, and now it's like, okay, we're testing this blue line here. If we break through this 1144 support area, we already know we're going to go down to the next floor pivot, okay? And the big question is, will we drop down to this channel line and possibly lower? So that's what we're watching. Now it's options expiration week for February options. So a lot of that stuff has already been done today and it'll be done tomorrow. Okay, let's go to the intraday chart. I'm not going to look at the weekly. We looked at the weekly today. Recall this morning I said, you know, basically, if we break to the top, we're looking for a run maybe as high as this. Gosh, we just couldn't do it. After the morning, it just kind of got real quiet because of the Federal Reserve minutes. So then we said, well, you know, this was another possibility here, and lo and behold, that's exactly where we went. Okay? So what you find with the floor pivots is they make sense out of the intraday noise, okay? Now, looking into tomorrow, I'm going to extend this line out. Whoops. I lost my line. Extend this line out here. Okay. And I'm going to get rid of this guy. And I'll draw a line like this. Okay. Looks like a downward channel to me. Okay. So, to the right, you've got the floor pivots. And you can see that if we break through that black line, the first one, this is where we're going. So let me just bring this guy over here. Okay. I lost it. There. And it just remains to be seen if we have a big down day tomorrow. You got to remember that this action at 2 o'clock. Okay, let's see. The 2 o'clock announcement was around, right here. They didn't know what to do. They're just waiting for the first person to say, okay, buy or sell. And then all of a sudden, around 2:30ish, 2:43. Down we go. We break through the floor pivot. So this is your initial, all this business here is your initial action. Tomorrow we get the reaction to the action, okay? All right. I will talk to you on Thursday evening. Bye-bye now.